My full name Masura Akhtar. You may call me Masura.
Okay. Where are you from?
I am from Mymensingh,
So what do you do?
and
Do you work or study?
I am a job holder. And currently I live Uttara for my job purpose.
So are you a government job holder or private?
Private job.
Okay, Masurapu, do you use Facebook?
Yeah.
That's a very common question. How many hours do you spend on Facebook?
Uh, Most of the time when I am free or when I am boring my work side, then I go to Facebook and scrolling. Uh,
Okay. Why do you use Facebook? Is it for any purpose or is it for just entertainment or just wasting time?
just entertainment and wasting time, not any purpose. But in my previous, when I am a student, I was a student.
Mhm.
Then I had a group study in a messenger.
Mhm.
I use it. Uh, mm, per, uh, I
Okay,
use.
last question for you, Masura Akhtar. That is, a lot of people are wasting their valuable time on Facebook. So,
Yeah.
how can you control yourself, or can you manage yourself using Facebook in terms of wasting time?